Tunisia, March 20th. The country commemorates its Independence Day. Thousands of Tunisians flooded the streets of the capital. However, several social movements have called for a demonstration on this particular day in order to press for the defense of a democratic nation and to recall the secular nature of the state. This demonstration was also called as a response to last Friday's protest that called for the adoption of Sharia law as the main basis of the Tunisian constitution. Social groups of the modernist tendency have joined their voices to call for this demonstration. The citizens' movement, Kulna Tunis, has called for a major rally to reiterate its attachment to the secular nature of the state, republican values, democracy, civil liberties, and equality.
It is a symbolic day for all Tunisians. It should not be celebrated by just a fraction of them. We are also here to defend the state's civil character, our democratic values, the values of the Republic, and the rights and duties of all of us.
Mukhtar Trifi, a fervent human rights activist, participated in the demonstration.
We are here to express ourselves and give our opinion on what's going on in the country. We are also here to defend the freedom of expression and the right to have different points of view.
Tunisians have come to Habib Bourguiba, the capital's main avenue, to celebrate the country's independence from France. But this year, a new constitution is being written, and many people here are also celebrating the separation of state and religion, which they see as a founding principle of modern Tunisia. Sadaq Ayari, Tunisia Live.